I woke up to the sound of someone folding my clothes, but I live alone. Last night I couldn't sleep. Around 2:30 a.m. I heard it, soft, deliberate rustling. I sat up. My bedroom door was closed. The sound was coming from inside my closet. I froze. Slowly I crept toward it, heart hammering. The door was slightly open, and my clothes were folded neatly. Shirts, pants, even socks, all stacked perfectly. I hadn't done that. A cold whisper brushed my ear. You left them messy again. I spun around. No one was there. But the clothes, they were still folded. And I knew someone had been in my room while I was sleeping.